guys, today we are talking about area and perimeter. So without any delay, let's start the video.
Hey Rishitha, I was thinking about our maths class today. We learned about area and perimeter, but I feel like we didn't dive deep enough into the formulas and derivations. Want to explore them together?
Sure Rishika, I love maths. Let's start with the basics. What do you remember about area and perimeter?
Well, the area is the space inside it and the perimeter is distance around a shape. But how do we actually find them?
Good starting point. Let's take a rectangle for an example. The formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus W, where L is length and W is width. Can you tell me why?
I think so. The perimeter is the sum of all sides. Since a rectangle has opposite sides equal, we add length and width and then double it because there are 2 lengths and 2 widths, right?
That's correct. Let's move on with the area. Area of rectangle, the formula is L into W. Can you guess why?
Because you're multiplying length by the width to cover the entire space inside the rectangle. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct. Multiplying the length and the width gives us the total number of square units inside the rectangle. And what about a square?
For a square, all sides are equal. So if each side is S, then the perimeter would be 4S because there are 4 sides.
And what about its area?
The area would be A equals to S square because it's like multiplying length and width of a rectangle, but here both are the same.
Great! Now let's move on to a triangle. Do you remember the formula of its area and perimeter?
The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all its sides. If each side is A, B and C, then the perimeter would be A plus B plus C.
And now what about its area?
The area of a triangle is a bit trickier. It's A equals to half into base into height. But why do we use half?
Good question. A triangle is essentially half of a rectangle or a parallelogram. If you draw a rectangle over a triangle, the triangle will take up half of the rectangle's area.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. Then what about a circle?
For a circle, the perimeter is called circumference. The formula of circumference is C is equals to 2 pi r, where r is the radius.
And the area of a circle is A equals to pi r square. But where does pi come from?
Pi is a special constant that represents radius of a circle's circumference and its diameter. It is approximately 3.14, but it is an irrational number, so it goes on forever without repeating.
Oh, that's really cool. So to summarize, we have rectangle, perimeter equals to 2 into L plus B, area equals to length into breadth, square, perimeter equals to 4S, area equals to S square, triangle, perimeter equals to A plus B plus C, and area is half into base into height. Circle, circumference equals to 2 pi r and area equals to pi r square.
Exactly. Understanding the formulas and their derivations help us to see the connection between different shapes and how geometry works.
Thank you, Rishitha. This is really helpful for me. Now I feel much more confident about area and perimeter.
You're welcome, Rishika. Maths is more fun when we explore it together. Let's keep learning.
Thank you.
Thank you.